Well, today we're going fly fishing. It's me, my first time ever fly fishing. Got a good buddy coming in to show me the way to do it. Let's go hop in the river and throw some rod. Let's do it. See how it goes. All right, so here we are down at the river. Boom.
That line's coming down on Schleper, right? Yeah. See how it's got a big curl in it? Yeah, I think what you call bend. There you go.
Yeah, nice.
Hell yeah. Okay, this is what I want you to do. Trigger finger on, don't pull it with your left hand. Okay, still on? Yeah. Okay, so basically all you want to do is flip it in with this and keep the trigger finger on. Nope. Oh, nope. Come on, nice and easy. Just keep tension on them. Keep tension on them and just start working them towards you. Don't pull them too much.
Boom.
So you saw how I took it, right?
Yeah. Well, I get all.
And that is what I'm going to have you do.
Boom. Catch put me on it.
You're going to get your hands wet. Yep, just like that. Just get them right up in front of you. And the only reason why you want to put them back in the net is because usually if you put them in the water, they're a little sharp. You take them a minute, and if they flip over on their belly or whatever, they're not. So just kind of get them back in your net and just work on them. Back and forth. Slowly come up with it. Oh,
You're fishing.
Made by Vail Brewing. MX something. It's a lager.
Yes. I finally caught a fish.
Okay, don't pull on them too hard. Keep the line tight. Keep it tight. Good. This guy's big. He's a big one.
Nice work.
Thank you.
You need to come grab it. Get your hand wet first. Bring it up to you.
There you go.